8 filling fall soup recipes with 5 ingredients or less. Autumn is here, and that means it's time for nubby sweaters and steaming bowls of soup. But while it takes a total of 3 seconds to throw on your favorite crewneck, cooking up grandma's yummy stew recipe tends to be an hours-long ordeal. Still, that's no reason to miss out altogether. Or worse, turn to the sodium-laden canned stuff. When you're strapped for time, these simple, satisfying soups will totally hit the spot. 1. Easy white chicken chili. Making an awesome chili usually takes a shit ton of ingredients and even more time. But this brilliant recipe from Gimme Some Oven, made with chicken, white beans, chicken stock, and cumin, gets its flavor punch from jarred salsa verde. Why didn't we think of this? 2. Sweet potato cauliflower soup. Here's a slightly different, dairy-free take on the usual pureed butternut squash soups you're probably seeing everywhere right now. This one from cookbook author Alison Kramer uses creamy sweet potatoes instead of the root veggie, and gets extra flavor and texture from crispy cauliflower florets roasted with garam masala. 3. 3-ingredient black bean soup. This recipe from Honey and Birch is further proof that as long as you have some canned beans lying around, you've got the makings for a meal. Simmer them with some chicken broth and canned tomatoes and blitz the whole thing in a blender, and look! It's soup. 4. 2-ingredient tomato soup. Using canned tomatoes with garlic and onions, like Healthy Living How To suggests, lets you skip all that extra chopping. And swapping coconut milk for the usual heavy cream means this velvety soup is actually good for you, too. 5. Easy paleo broccoli soup. What happens when you puree broccoli, garlic, chicken stock, and a little bit of ghee? You get Cook Eat Paleo's velvety soup in, like, 10 minutes. 6. 5-ingredient Thai pumpkin soup. It's kind of amazing how a spoonful of red curry paste can make almost anything taste like it came from your favorite Thai joint. Add a dollop to this pumpkin and coconut milk soup from Foodie Crush, and you'll think you ordered takeout. 7. Pesto bean soup. Basic white bean soup is kinda boring. But when you add prepared pesto plus umami-packed ingredients like parmesan and sun-dried tomatoes like Everyday Dishes suggests, it's delicious, and still super easy to make. 8. Smoky tomato lentil soup. Because everyone needs a great lentil soup recipe that doesn't take forever. This one from Stone Soup gets tons of flavor from soy sauce and smoked paprika. To make it even better, try swapping the regular canned tomatoes for fire-roasted ones.